This is a place with a lot of smiles, a community for disabled kids who need a little extra help. For 40 years, it's been a godsend for parents. So when the government said it's time to close, they said, no way.
So to have a wonderful service like this to support us as parents, it's just been a lifesaver.
At the moment, they're just saying, no, the land is ours, you're out.
It paved the way for Liam to have a successful school life, and now he works at Woolworths, has done for over 6 years.
It's prime property, prime real estate, river frontage, zoned for 8 stories, I think it's a 4-hectare site. So you can draw your own conclusions.
It's a place where those who need a little extra help come together. But these people say it's more than that. They say it's a beacon of hope.
It's about our families and building the best future for people with disability in our community.
Shaping Outcomes is an early intervention disability support service at Tweed Heads in northern New South Wales. Its mission to help children with disabilities and learning difficulties grow into independent adults. But there's a problem. The land Shaping Outcomes sits on belongs to the New South Wales government and runs alongside the old Tweed Hospital. It is being decommissioned, and management here have been told there's no room for them at the new hospital.
They told us that they're going to put temporary fencing around our building and we just don't have any access to it and that we have to get out.
After more than 4 decades in operation, New South Wales Health is evicting this not-for-profit organisation, despite the fact their building has been upgraded and maintained by the local community. Cole Usher is Shaping Outcomes CEO.
Our local community organisations, families, lots of parents over the last 40 years have donated from their own pocket to build this space.
It's absolutely critical for early intervention for children, but it's not just for the children, it's also supporting the whole family.
Holly Scantleton has used the service for son Jack.
He's worked on his fine motor skills, his social skills, his speech, and through the wonderful support of Shaping Outcomes, he now no longer needs support because he is now thriving at school, he's making friends.
Tracy Foister also received help nearly 30 years ago with her son Liam.
Helped me get a job. I work at Woolies, have worked at Woolies for over 6 years.
And I really put that down to those foundations and that were set in place from this service.
There have been rumours of a redevelopment since Tracy and Liam were using the service, then known as the Early Intervention Centre in the late 90s. But those running it have always been promised it would be taken care of, including in 2 letters from a former Tweed Hospital boss.
It is my understanding that there will be equivalent facilities for the Tweed District Early Intervention Centre to operate out of, be it on the existing site or on a new site on the hospital block. If your facility is affected by the redevelopment, then there will be full consultation, and it is our intention to replace like with like.
And we expect that the things that they've promised over 40 years, that they would actually honour, because we made investments based on that promise.
But their pleas have fallen on deaf ears.
Shaping Outcomes is required to vacate the premises by the 12th of May 2024. Any property of Shaping Outcomes, its staff or contractors must be removed by this date.
Forced out, their new temporary location is suitable for now, but it comes at a cost.
It was an expense that we hadn't budgeted for and haven't included for this year, so we're going to take another hit this year.
A current affair approached New South Wales Health Minister Ryan Park. His department told us,
the Northern New South Wales Local Health District remains in discussions with Shaping Outcomes regarding their concerns over the future of the existing Tweed Hospital site.
We want to see their service continue in the Tweed and the Northern Rivers for many, many years to come.
We'll fight the fight and we'll see what we can come up with. We will continue to provide early childhood intervention in the Tweed and the Northern Rivers and beyond. We will continue to support our families, and together we'll build a stronger community. So thank you so much for being part of it today.
Thank you.
What a community, and surely it's not a big ask considering everything this service has done. So I say, come on, New South Wales Government, step up, do the right thing and save it.